See the yellow in it right there? Look at the size of this one. This could be epimecium here. This really could be. And just like that one great big massive one over there I showed you, here's another one. These could be epimecium. So definitely paramecium. So this here, there, you can see right in there, it's got, well, what they call agate. See more of it down there. But would you look at the size of this? And it's got the membrane on both sides of it. Well, I can't tell the upper side yet, but the lower side has the membrane, just like that crackle I call it. This one has it too, identical. See that? This thing's massive, and that's all muscle. See the reds in here? And there's that blocky stuff I was showing you on the other one too. You know, that blocky stuff that they call them feeder dikes, and that is not what they are at all. Oh, I gotta get down here and look back. Oh man, this thing is massive. Look at the size of this thing. Goes in there and twists, and there's a they call it quartz. There's more of it here. It's not really. It's actually, I can break it, so it's not really quartz. See it right through there? It's some of it in there. But this is what the biology, how it's formed, even in our bodies. This is on a scale that they can't even ever imagine they could ever see in our bodies. Look at the reds in here. This is muscle, all muscle with connective tissue running through it. Got a four-way right here. Well, I guess we don't. Thought we did. Nope. That's just blood. Remember I told you that coagulated, really thick blood that gets on top? I'll show you that from down here. Here's some without it. And there's some with it on top. So there's without the, see, I call it, this is spray. I believe this is blood spray. I'm not kidding you. That real thick, gooey, as it hardened. I'll get down there, I'll show you some of this. This is all muscle coming up into this piece of connective tissue. Yeah. Stand over here, maybe you'll stand, tick up better. How's that for a view? Look at that. That's muscle, connective tissue. Muscle will be on the other side there somewhere. And that's muscle. All that's muscle with the blood, coagulated blood on top. It's not volcanic. This is not volcanism. I understand why they would think that, but that is not what this is. So that's a pretty good view there. And as you can see, piece of connective tissue that's rotted off. That's the outer edge of it right there, and that's muscle. See all that red? Connective tissue on the other side of it. Well, let's go on out here and look first, huh? We're on a piece of connective tissue right here. Look at, oh, that's that big one. Dire? Boy, just wasn't thinking there, was I? Look at this thing. This is the, we'll go down in there and take a look at the edge of it. Remember this piece of connective tissue we're walking on, because in a minute here we're going to step down and look at the edge of it, because it's got the crackly parts. It's peeled away. The membrane's, part of the membrane's still there, and the rest is gone. The muscle rotted out. We're walking on the membrane here, and that's it, going down through there, out through there, and that's all muscle there with coagulated blood on top. Same thing here. All right, we're just gonna jump down in there. Well, we're not gonna jump, we're gonna have to go around, it looks like. We're gonna go down in there and take a look back on this membrane. So I'm gonna shut this off and save some battery here. That's a muscle, membrane, muscle gone, with some of the membrane still stuck in it, so we'll be able to look at it. Okay. That's part of the membrane right there, the black, and the red's muscle. Muscle here. Yeah. This is that membrane. We were just walking on the top of it. The edge of it's on, this is the outer edge of it, and this is all gone, the muscle. That's part of a membrane right in there, and that's muscle. So this is that membrane, that crackly piece I tell you about, that real fine stuff. This is it here. And this separates it between it and the flesh. The muscle. It's the transitional piece. That's a big chunk. There's the rest of it. You can see how wide it is. We're on the outer edge of it here. Okay. And that's all muscle. That's connective tissue right here. There's that crackly, see, this is a piece of connective tissue here. This is the outer edge, and there's that crackly piece, just like I just showed you right down there on this big one. This is this piece on the inner side. The other piece is out here, right in here, and this would be the upper piece of it. There's that crack, there it is, and that's muscle. That's muscle. All that red, the black is the connective tissue. Okay. These are not volcanic intrusions. This is not igneous intrusive or extrusive. Has nothing to do with any of it. And we are on flesh.